just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is a maze and love is a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I've tried and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. 'Cause it's too much.
Surprise this afternoon. You want to see Jollibee? Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Jollibee. Okay, so one question to everyone. Gusto nyo makita si Jollibee na nagasaot?
Nagyayaya ang di na nga magpakalit. Halika na, tara na, doon na nga ang handa. Labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag bida ang saya. Bida tayo, saan bida ang bata? Sa Jollibee na tayo, mas matunog, mas masaya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. Dito lahat bida, pinagsama sa sarap. Sige na, saya na, labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa tuwa. Ganyan ang feeling, kapag bida ang saya. Bida tayo, kung saan bida ang bata. Sa Jollibee na tayo, mas tutugog, mas masaya. Sa Jollibee na tayo, wala nang iba. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya.
Okay, palagpakan naman dyan para kay Jollibee! Okay, so this time, para ma-remember natin at ma-nourish natin ang moment that Jollibee is part of our celebration, celebrating the 8th birthday of Princess. We will have the photo opportunity together with Jollibee. First, may calling our celebrant Princess to please come up on stage. Okay, so talaga mga kids. Okay, picture ni Jollibee. Okay, smile! Ay, smile. Sabi namin cute. Na. Like pala ka smile ni Jollibee, oh na. Yes, of course, si Jollibee, oh, sa tumak. At tapos, pwede yung si Jollibee tayo. Ito siya, si Jollibee, Tawag yun. Okay, sa career na.
Waki-waki.
Di na nga magpakalit. Halik ka na,
Okay, so thank you so much, Jollibee, and happy 8th birthday, Princess. Palakpak naman dyan. Pero before the party ends, I'd like everyone to sing. Ma'am, let me ask, nag-inom si Jollibee? Ano ayaw? Sa Jollibee. Bida ang saya, ma'am. Sa lahat. Bida ang saya sa Jollibee. Thank you so much, Jollibee, for coming here. And thank you so much, everyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are family season 6 Alliance Family Reunion with our team for this year.
Now it doesn't make much sense. There ought to be law again. Anyone who takes offense at a day in your celebration, 'cause we all know in our minds that there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you, and I'm sure you would agree. What could fit more perfectly than to have a world party on the day you came to be? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I just never understood how a man who died for good could not have a David Wood. He said, aside for his recognition, because it should never be just because some cannot see. The dream is clear as he, that they should make it become an illusion. And we all know everything that each different time will bring. Or in peace our hearts will sing. Thanks to Martin Luther King. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all